This is how you train for a pull-up. Step 1. Dead hangs. Simply place your hands nicely on the handlebar. Lengthen your arms and slowly walk off the platform, performing a dead hang. Okay, step 2. Learning how to engage your lats. So simply get into the dead hang position. Okay. Now draw your shoulders down and back. So in a V-shaped manner. Step 3. Doing negatives or negative pull-ups. So getting into the hanging position, okay, and you can jump up into a pull-up position, holding it there, and slowly taking your time lowering it. Step 4. Band assisted pull-ups. So simply find a big and thick high resistance loop band, step on it, hang on the bar. Slowly try to pull yourself up with the band slowly pushing you up. Putting it all together, this is how you do a pull-up. Tuck your tummy in, draw your shoulders down and back, and you simply pull.